This demo shows how DocuGuru generates a 10,000-word research paper draft with structured sections, math formulas, tables, diagrams, and citations. The AI assistant streamlines academic writing by automating research, outlining, and content creation, reducing hours of effort into a few guided steps. Once inside the platform, click the New Document button to start a fresh research paper project in DocuGuru. After creating the document, enter your research paper title to clearly define the focus of your work. For example, Scalable and Cost-Aware AI Inference on AWS. With the title in place, click the Generate Paper button to initiate the AI-driven drafting process for your research paper. Within moments, DocuGuru.AI begins generating content. Here, you can see that the system has successfully created a diagram showcasing intricate details and relationships within the data. This visual representation makes complex concepts easier to understand at a glance. As you explore the content further, hover over any citation to view details such as the author and citation type. To dive deeper, click See More to reveal extended information and additional context within that section of the paper. In addition to text and citations, DocuGuru also generates well-structured tables. These tables include meaningful titles for rows and columns, further improving clarity and readability. When you're ready, click Insert into Document to add the generated draft paper content directly into your research paper document. Once the content is assembled, you can move on to formatting. Select a target journal from the drop-down and click the Format button. DocuGuru will automatically structure the paper according to the journal's submission guidelines. As a result, within seconds, a research paper that is fully structured and ready for publication is generated, saving significant time in drafting and formatting. Thank you for watching this demo and for exploring how DocuGuru makes research effortless. Here, research truly moves as fast as you think.